Here we are back on the seafront, looking at all the lights and a bit more exercise. Rainy, but it's not too cold. Here we are at Weston-super-Mare. People on bikes. I'm going to head towards the lights of this next building. Lots of hotels over there. Weston-super-Mare, a very small place, fairly small, so you can walk around it, and even if the weather's bad, there's always somewhere to go, not within 100 yards. So that's one of the good things. Looking out at the sea, I can't see much. Got the shadow there. Shadows of time. Nice hotel over there. What we got here? It's getting rainy. Western Bay. Got lights up here for this other thing. This top end of Weston-super-Mare. You got a big hotel over there. You haven't got much. They built a new thing up here, but it's there's one section of it where they could build hundreds of things. So I think in time they probably will do. Need more entertainment. Oh, it's getting cold now. Hope we can hear the wind and that. I like seeing the car headlights. My shadow looks good. May have to turn around soon. Doing a bit of exercise before I go in Wetherspoons. The ultimate holiday. Shadow looks great there. I think it's called Viva Lounge or something like that. Old place here. What's this? Too bad. Old hotels over there. I might have to go in there for a cup of tea. Western Bay, Weston-super-Mare. Cheapest holiday in England. It's got everything you need. Nice shelters here, old-fashioned shelters, whatever they're called. I can't think of the names of anything. We've got traffic coming. More shelters there, good ones. Shadows here. What am I? We're going to go up to the lights here. Where am I? It's hard to see where you're going. There's a wall here. Ooh. So you got the place up there, Revo, which is a nice restaurant on the other side of Weston-super-Mare, where I like to go. Obviously, it looks a lot more different in the daylight. Hope you enjoyed this clip. Please sub me if you like it. Weston-super-Mare.